Hi, my name is Murray Fleming from Canberra Outdoor Structures. We've been building Scandinavian log cabins and homes for many years now. We build our houses out of solid timber, and solid timber is a natural product. There is some things that we need to do to our cabins and homes to make them last, and that mainly is sealing timbers on all faces. So timber like architraves around windows, like I have here in my hand. It's important to seal all four edges. So we take them off after construction and seal the back, then refix them. That way there is no moisture loss and we maintain the integrity of the wood cell structure of the timber. That same principle applies to the wall cladding, which is, of course, the interior wall is exterior wall. It is a solid piece of timber. So the first layer of boards, we seal the bottom of the timber prior to it being placed on top of the floor or the concrete. The same process applies when we get to timbers around the roof line, namely the fascia timbers, the timbers that go behind the gutters. Generally, the ones behind the gutters and the fascias you will not get to in conventional painting. So seal them on all faces with at least 2 coats, 3 is desirable, prior to fixing, and pay particular attention to the end grain here, because that is the #1 source of moisture uptake in the walls. We strongly recommend that end grain is sealed with at least 3 coats of suitable product prior to the covers going on, and that will minimize any checking and any moisture uptake. And timber, one of the natural characteristics of it is minor checking according to changes in humidity, or you could say seasons. This minor checking does not affect the structural integrity of the building. It does not affect the thermal rating of the walls, but we strongly recommend sealing it with a premium exterior acrylic paint, an oil or stain on both sides to maintain the life of your building that you have just purchased.